Hi everyone, in this video, I'll be teaching you how to fix this experience is restricted by your parental controls Roblox error. First things first, you want to unrestrict your parental controls. So, to do that, just go to the Roblox website and sign in to your account. After that, just click on the gear icon in the top right corner of your screen, then select Settings. In here, click on the Privacy tab, then scroll down to the Parental Controls section. Just choose the All Ages option, then click on the Save button. And as simple as it is, hopefully this solves your problem. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you.